Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we have some important tasks to be done. We are going to discuss what are decision trees and how can we code it using Python 3. Well, what is classification? Classification is categorizing data and adding a label to its features to get recognized. Decision tree classification and coding them using Python 3 are today's tasks. Before we get into the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Our dataset consists of two features, weight and texture, and our label. Like we water a plant to grow it furthermore, we give more data to make our decision tree much more stronger. Can you write a program to differentiate between red apple or green apple or black and white pictures or orange and apple? How will you code it? Well, making decision with conditions, we have a plan. Then we have some conditions telling us yes or no. This is how a decision tree works. We input our pixelated pictures, which processes and then gives an output analyzing our given data set. Let's start coding. Program to differentiate between two fruits. How can we use Python 3 for this purpose? Well, download this library on your laptop or PC to get started. Link is in the description below. After downloading that, from scikit-learn we import tree. We have some features and labels. 140, 130, 150, and 170 are its weights, and smooth, and bumpy are its texture. As we know that scikit-learn takes input in numerical value, so we say bumpy for 0 and smooth for 1. And apple, 0 for apple and 1 for orange. Whenever we write 1, it means orange, and 0 means apple. Let's write our classifier. We're going to use our tree module, so tree.Decision Tree Classifier, which is a Python built-in function. Then we're going to use fit module, and we're going to fit our features and labels. Then we're going to give it a new dataset, unseen dataset, and then we're going to predict it. Let's say 150. And let's say 0. 0 is for bumpy, so bumpy should be orange. So let's see what our classifier will tell us. Open the terminal and boom, it's 1. 1 means orange. Let's compare it with our dataset. 150 bumpy is orange. If you haven't subscribed our channel, do subscribe and tell us in the comments below.